A lot of fun building it, and it was a devious maze for the players. Also, one thing that we could have done better if we had additional time was actually make the storyline better, because there's no storyline that relates to the player coming to the mansion and why it happened and everything, so it makes the game a tad bit worse.
We made the giant box, which is container in this quest program, and we put a object called Dim Hong, which is a creature that can kill the player and end the game. And we have to use the sword on the Dim Hong so that Dim Hong will disable the timer and will not end the game. And we made the verbs in the sword so that we can able to defeat the creature and make it go back to the giant box. It was really we got struggle at there, and we made goblins too, but we kind of failed at goblins as we made timer get wrong, and it was kind of really hard part.
Start the game. But before we start the game, I'm going to tell you something that we struggle with a lot. It's going to come right up. It's called using the key on a locked door. So we were supposed to actually make a key and use it on the locked door, but me and my partner Sejin didn't know how to do it. So we asked Mr. Bertoya, and it took us some time to figure it out, because we did not know if we were supposed to use the object on another object or use the other object on that object. So we would use the key on the door or the door on the key. We did not know that. So we asked Mr. Bertoya, our teacher, and at the end of that time, we figured out how to use the key on the door, which is use key on door.
When we can't escape the mansion for 5 minutes after entering the goblin room, we'll die at the end of the game.